girl. Hey, welcome to another vlog. It's a Sunday. So I vlogged yesterday and I'm planning to vlog today as well. So I don't know if matutuloy itong vlog na to, but let's see. I'm just starting my day and it is already 11 a.m. in the morning. Gumising ako like around 9 a.m. but nagano pa ng cellphone and whatnot kasi it's a Sunday. It's like rest day, diba? So before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed and hit the notification bell para hindi kayo makalimot or para ma-notified kayo pala whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, it's a Sunday and I don't know, it's going to be a chill day. But we are heading out now. Yung balak ko sana is like magma-market kami ng maaga, but you know, hindi talaga nangyayari yan, guys. And also I have a lot of things to work on today kasi kahapon hindi ko siya masyadong nagawa kasi naglinis ako ng apartment namin kahapon. So hopefully I could do all my task yesterday to today para ano naman, kasi I've been really planning to finish that one, so hopefully magawa ko yan. So I'm just going to quickly get ready and be back with you all. Hey, so I know it's so kalat at the background, but let's get into it. So I already applied my my stuff, and I also use my it's sunscreen sa aking face. So let's get started. This is our outfit for today. I don't know what this is called, pero ano siya, yung parang hoodie, yan na mahaba hanggang dito. Ito yung mga meron dito na fashion sa winter. Parang ganyan, hoodie. Tapos hanggang dito. Then this is the shoes that I bought yesterday. Yan. Yan lang. Para to cover, para hindi masyadong malamig yung aking paa. So that is our outfit. It looks like a nanay, but this is comfortable. I wanted to wear something comfortable. Yan. So, yeah. Parang ano, pag Pinoy talaga hindi masyadong nag-wear ng ganito, but yung mga Hapon, ito yung mga sinusuot nila na ano, na mga style ng damit, guys, during the winter. So it's not very flattering, but who cares as long as you're like you're warm and comfortable. Ayun, so that is it. How is it looking like? Yeah, parang ano, hoodie na mahaba. Yan. Still sizzling. Ooh.
Bahay na sa Chag ice cream.
So, we stopped by sa Baskin Robin. Dito lang sa sa malapit sa amin. Hindi kami nagpunta ng outlet kasi malayo na yon. So, galing kami ng Joyful and then my ice cream. Been wanting to eat Baskin and Robin. My two favorite flavors, which is the chocolate mint and the Jamaica almond fudge. Yeah. I'm gonna eat now. This all in all pala siya, yung regular double to, tapos yung cone anong tawag nila yun, yung sugar cone is basta sugar cone is 40 yen, so 750 yan lahat to. Mas mahal pa sa sapatos na nabili ko do. 700 lang yung sapatos. Tapos yung ice cream 750. But it's so good. It's like no other ice cream. I'm gonna let Rookie taste it na. Wala man ko'y COVID. Oh, diba? Masarap. Going out now. This is my favorite part. Whoa, kahoy of the store. This is so like, yeah, I really like it here at the home center. This is styro. We're looking for a foam. Oh, this is not the one. Wow, I really like it here, bro. I like DIY stuff. Oh. The smell of the woods are so refreshing. I really like coming here, guys, with all this kasi we like DIYing stuff ni Rocky. So, it's been a while since I've been here. Yeah, and we're looking for a foam, yung naka-roll na foam. Pero I don't know if they have it here. Kasi may paggagamitan kami ni Rookie. So I think they don't have it here. Yung meron lang sila yung yung pang cushion na yung black nung nabili din namin dati. So I think they don't have that one, yung foam, yung parang regular na foam na binibenta sa atin. Oh my god, really enjoyed smelling all the woods around me. Rookie got a plant. Me, I got a air freshener. Rookie is securing the plant. Do not go away, okay? This is mine. So hey everybody, we're home and it's already 5:30 in the afternoon. I think umalis kami mga ano na 11:30. Grabe, ang dami naming pinuntahan. And then, yeah, ang dami naming pinuntahan. So, naligpit ko na yung mga binili namin. But, I'm going to cook, yung giniling para baon namin bukas ni Rookie. Let me quickly show to you, yung nabili kong, yung parang yung parang aroma. Parang mabango siya. Hopefully, maganda siya, maganda talaga yung amoy niya if yung binuksan na. Kasi yung sa sample niya, maganda yung amoy. And then, eto nga pala yung aking, nandito nakalagay, yung giniling na 80%, I guess, lean. Ayan, meat. And then, yung ilalagay ko na mga ingredients is just this one, green peas, tapos green bell pepper, tapos etong carrots. Ito na lang yung binili ko kasi tamad akong mag-chop ng carrots. So, okay lang naman to sa aking giniling. And then, I'm gonna put onion and garlic. Yan lang, kasimple. So, I'm using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil for this. I added pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and garlic. Yung that one. Now I'm adding my green peas and then the carrots. No, consomme already very yan. Just covering it for like a minute and then I'm gonna add the carrots. So adding now the carrots. It's weird because it's shredded, but I'm like tamad. And then I added the red bell pepper last because it cooks. Red bell pepper cooks fast, or it's okay to eat red bell pepper a little raw. Yeah, gusto ko yung lasa. So just to add color, like we have contrast, we have orange, green, and then the red. Para hindi naman masyadong matamlay looking ating giniling. My seasoning for my giniling is this black pepper, and then pink Himalayan salt, and I also added this yung garlic na para, I don't know, flakes I guess, and then added some basil because basil is amazing, guys. It gives a twist in any dishes that you make. Nagbibigay siya ng a little interesting flavor yung basil. So if kami lang ni Rookie yung kakain, I tend to add basil on our dishes. And also I've used this yung soy sauce, but since I ran out of this is my favorite soy sauce, yung sashimi na na soy sauce, yung parang sa sashimi. And then yeah, naubusan kami, so I just added yung all-purpose na seasoning from Kikuman. So yan lang yung ating seasoning. And before I forgot, I also added yung yung sesame oil para there's something different sa lasa niya. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung amoy ng nung sesame oil sa mga lutuin. Yan. Added also this one. Here's our giniling. It's already cooked. Yan na. Tapos na. I hope you give this a try kung if you follow the recipe, give this a try guys. Medyo, and I hope na magustuhan niyo yung lasa ng giniling na to. It's my own version of giniling. So, before I end this vlog, I went to Daiso by the way kanina. But but I wanted to show to you what I got sa Daiso. It's so corny. Pero eto, kidding! Nakita ko siya pero binalikan ko si Rupi kasi tinanong ko siya kung okay lang ba na bilhin ko to. Hindi pa talaga matapos-tapos yung ano ko sa headphones. Kaya nung pupunta ako sa sasakyan, sinama ko si Rupi. Pinakita ko sa kanya kung okay lang ba to bilhin. Tapos this is not 100 yen guys, this is 500 yen, kaya tinanong ko muna siya kung okay lang ba. But it is ano pa rin, medyo mura pa rin sa, if I'm going to compare this doon sa yung sa appliance center. Pero I don't know if kung maganda. Pero yung nabili ko na earphone sa Daiso the last time, maganda naman yung ano niya, yung sound niya. So hopefully maganda din siya kasi sinasabi dito super bass, boom baram bam boom. Yun. Tapos 1.2 meter, hindi naman not that bad na ano, medyo mahaba naman yung kanyang cord. So hopefully maganda siya. That is made in, saan ba to? Parang may made in China. Origin China. Made in China. So akala ko ano Portuguese or something kasi may maraming mga ano Portuguese na salita dito, but na it's from China. And also I saw this one, yung ano mouse. Yung wireless na mouse, parang ano lang yung if you are from Cebu or sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Sa amin kasi sa Cebu, ano, maraming binibentang ganito sa ano, sa 138 or kaya sa Unitap, yung mga not so yung medyo cheap na mga electronic stuff, yung mga disposable. Kasi yung nandoon sa 138 tsaka sa Unitap, medyo mabilis lang sila masira. Pero hopefully eto maging okay siya. I'm gonna try this now, I guess. But not in this video kasi parang mahaba na tong video na to. Hopefully I'm gonna update you kung okay lang ba tong mouse tsaka headphones from Daiso. 500 yen. Tapos eto naman yung wireless mouse is 300 yen. Oh, not bad. Hopefully okay to. This one is this is made. Hindi naman sinabi kung saan siya made. Basta ano lang siya, Daiso Industries Company Limited din lang. Wala siyang nilagay na meron, made in China. Dito pala sa taas. So ayan yung corny stuff na nabili ko sa Daiso. I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's already 6. I guess it's almost 7 in the evening already, and I need to take a shower and iron my uniform kasi hindi ko pa nagawa yon. And then I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog and this vlog as well. So marami pa akong gagawin. So hopefully matapos ko sila by 11 p.m. tonight, no? Hopefully. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day So I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always, mga friends. Keep safe always. Hindi pa rin tapos yung battle natin against the coronavirus. Oh my gosh. Naamoy ko yung binili ko na aroma, yung freshener. Ang bango niya from here. Binuksan ko na, nilagay ko dyan, oh.
What?
Yeah. Did you smell it?
No.
You're so Basta, yun na yun. So, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Stay safe. Be cautious still. And hopefully, I will see you all in my next video. Peace.